Administration module. Importing data. Administration allows you to import data from a variety of load files and sources. Prior to using a load file, there are certain parameters you should take into consideration. For efficiency, IPRO recommends that your individual load file should not exceed 5 gigabytes. If any single record is over 2 gigabytes, the record will not be imported. These are rarities, as a load file or record exceeding the threshold are only reached in very unique situations. Also be sure to verify that your image key prefix is consistent. If not, you may have a quirky result that leaves you scratching your head because of this typo. This does not mean you're unable to have varying prefixes in your load file, just be sure they're supposed to be varied. Importing case data can be broken down into 5 easy steps. Selecting the data source. Discovery Local allows you to give your import job a name, ensuring validation and ease of reference if you ever need to look back the import. Once you've selected your load file, you'll be able to preview a selection of records from the file, ensuring you've selected the proper delimiters and dating format for your load files. The review and correction option eliminates the need for any third-party editing software. Mapping fields. There are several options for mapping data fields. You can load from a template previously saved, auto-select fields based on position or field name, or manually select each field. You are able to choose which field information is loaded into your database. Discovery Local also includes loading options such as appending to your database or overlaying information already associated with a common BegDoc or control number value, editing file paths for images, text, and natives, as well as indexing options. Once your options have been selected, you can choose to verify your selections prior to import, ensuring proper metadata field alignment. The final steps include watching the process of your upload and verifying that the proper metadata fields were mapped. Importing an OPT or image file is just as easy. Using the same steps, you will edit the image file path to map to the correct image location and select Overlay Records Only. Overlay allows us to correlate images with BegDoc or control numbers to ensure images are correctly assigned. If your load file did not contain a text path, Discovery Local allows you to import text or OCR files as well. Located just below the Import Data section, you'll find options that meet your text file needs, such as page-based or document-based files, their naming conventions, and where they're located. Thank you for attending.